This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. So here, one small thing, Vinay, since you have also done the law, and when you're talking about the company secretary being called upon for his opinion on traditionally things which he or she was not called for, how important is studying LLB for a company secretary course? Do you feel it's essential, or is it still fine to just do the CS?
It's a really good question, Alok. I think, and this is my personal view, that it is essential that a CS professional does LLB, and this is a very natural convergence. Company secretary is a specialization under law, similar to, for example, a litigation is for an advocate, right? We are all branches of law. Just that there is a separate recognition as a company secretary and an officer under a statute. In practical terms, I have seen there's a very natural extension of not only roles but also mindset, because as a company secretary you handle corporate law, you're aware of the company's position and corporate matters, you're sitting at board meetings where boards are discussing a lot of aspects of compliances and law. It is very natural for a CS to also handle law in companies, and as you know, there are many companies where the head legal and the company secretary is the same individual.
Yes.
So both from a practical perspective, as well as now these days regulation perspective, for example, where secretarial audits are required to focus on beyond just the corporate laws, right? The laws that otherwise affect the business. CS is actually doing or being held responsible for things beyond just corporate law. And companies prefer someone who has a dual qualification, because you can add more value when you have visibility to both sides of things, the corporate law sides of things and the legal side of things. So it makes you a complete professional. So I would encourage that everybody who does CS should also do law at some point of time or the other. I would go on to say that you should also build more portfolios beyond just CS and LLB. So there are other courses in the market, a master's program or a specialization in other aspects of law. It is going to be for your benefit for the rest of your career. There's no doubt about that.
Yeah. So now you're talking about law and CS, and you also mentioned briefly about how you can take up some further specializations with respect to law.